Good afternoon, ChoroQ collectors. So we got another one here, and this might be the first one that I've seen say Real Gimmick, so it has some sort of feature, I guess. This guy is from 2003, and Google Translate says Nissan Sunny, so this must be a Sunny pickup truck. What else do we have here? I like the packaging. You can see, you can see three sides of the vehicle. There's a, well, I guess I'm going to open it, so. Alright, things to be brand new old stock. It's totally taped together, so I guess I'll just open it from the bottom. So this one's got a plastic case, a bit scratched up though. And let's get this thing out. Case is a waste of plastic. Like, it's unnecessarily tall. I don't know why. This is just air, right? So it's not very smart. Alright, well, so let's take a closer look here. See, I had to pull up this real photo because it's so foreshortened. It gives you an idea. If I actually, let's see, I'm going to try to scale this picture so it's around the same height. I would say that's as close as I can get the height, you know, the hood and the tire. So I would say this is probably scaled down 2 times in the overall length, right? Because I can get the car. So that's the shrink factor, I guess, 2 to 1. But width-wise, I think it's normal. Maybe not, actually, because this greenhouse is much too tall. So yeah, I'm not sure what they did there. They stretched out the greenhouse. So, all right. Alright, well, anyways, didn't really bother looking up the stats on this car because I'm taking all these ChoroQs with a light heart, you know. They're not realistic looking, so my mind switches to just having fun and looking at something really goofy looking, which this does. So we have, you know, some clear plastic, but it's all painted with these colors, so I don't know if you can see. Well, here on the bottom you can kind of see the white sprayed there, and there on the bottom of the inside you can see it's a dark smoked plastic, and so I think that dark smoked plastic is the actual greenhouse. I could be wrong though. This one does look like it's painted black, so that's kind of interesting. That I don't know why they wouldn't just mold the plastic this white color if they're going to paint the canopy and the headlights. I also wish the headlights were clear. You know, if this plastic is transparent. Oh, wait a sec. You know, the greenhouse is transparent because you can see my finger through the windshield there, right? So it looks totally black though from the outside. But I guess, yeah, alright. So it's definitely, it's smoked. But it's so smoked I thought it was painted black for a second. Very deceiving. Okay. Alright, so there's some Japanese text on this thing, although I don't know what that says. I didn't even see it in the packaging. It's got some steel wheels. These are standard steel wheels from ChoroQ, it seems. They have a few different wheel types. And this is a glass delivery truck. You know, they're delivering panes of glass here on this rack. So, again, I don't know what any of that means. We have the painted taillights as well. So what's the gimmick though? There's no opening feature. Well, that's weird. This doesn't come out. So that's kind of stupid. Right? I thought these Real Gimmick ones were actually supposed to have moving parts or something, like an opening door, but there's nothing on this image indicating any of that. So this is a bit of a letdown, if not a complete scam. So, oh well. I do like the Nissan, you know, Sunny, or the Datsun Sunny. So here's some latches for the tailgate, and no, that doesn't open. So it's really strange indeed. And okay, I think they actually all are constructed this way. Or maybe some have 2 screws, but every one I have just has 1 screw in this tab here. And then you can see the wind-up motor through the transparent plastic there. It says 03 on here, so I guess this is from 2003, pretty old now. Nothing, no like paint rash or anything like that. I think because it's plastic and not die-cast metal. Alright. Well, that's it. These are short reviews here for the ChoroQs, so it's more like just looking at the thing spinning around and actually comparing to the 164 equivalent. So actually, while I do that, we'll do that first. So I have the Inno64 Nissan Sunny Hakatora, which has basically a Skyline front end on it, but the back part of the vehicle is correct. So that's the closest thing I have to compare to. I don't have even a Hot Wheels Sunny truck. If Hot Wheels even made one, I'm not really sure. So please leave a comment, because I might be interested in getting that. Also, does anyone know if there's a premium format of a regular Datsun Sunny pickup? You know, with the 2 round headlights instead of the Skyline front end. That's something I would definitely want to get. All right. So that's it for today. Short review. All right. I'll see you guys.